Hey, welcome to UK Wildcraft. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can harvest and use fatwood, which is really useful for getting fire going, like even in bad weather. Fatwood is basically the wood of a pine tree that's been saturated with pine resin, which is really flammable. You'll usually find it in dead trees right in the core or in the roots, but you can also find it on living trees, like this one here, and you'll find it where the branches meet the main trunk. Pine is a really useful tree. To be able to tell it's pine, first of all you look at the leaves, which are evergreen, so they'll be there all year round. With the pine, they always come in pairs of two, and the pine needles will grow all around the branch, unlike the yew tree where they'll grow in a flat plane. These ones, the pine needles, you can use for making tea, but the yew you can't because they're poisonous. Now you want to pick a dead branch, and you can tell because it'll have no pine needles on it. You can tell as soon as you start cutting into it, you get like a strong smell, like an alpine air freshener sort of smell. And yeah, a real strong smell there of pine resin. And you can see where on this side here it's a bit darker. That's where it's saturated with the pine resin, and that will really useful for getting a fire going. So now you want to get the fatwood, and with your knife, just run it down, just scrape in little bits of the fatwood off, so you get like little shavings of it. And you see you get a nice amount of resin there as well. And you know you're working with resin because you get really sticky fingers, and your knife always gets it on the blade as well. So the idea is you just want to get enough so it'll take a flame, and then just have some tinder and kindling ready. I'm using dry grass, and I also use bits of dead hogweed and some just dry branches off of trees. So you should be able to see on there, I've just got lots of little shavings of the wood. So I'm going to get my ferro rod, and now that should just take a spark quite easily. There we go. Now all that resin is burning. Now, I don't know if you can see, but this is all very wet. We've had quite a lot of rain here recently, but it just shows you can get a fire going even in bad weather.